I'm Melody from melodycooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this polenta from Trader Joe's. It's super easy to make it. We'll be cooking it on a frying pan. So it's just going to be pan-fried slices of polenta. I'm going to heat some olive oil in a non-stick frying pan. And now I'm going to turn the heat on high. And while it's heating up, I'm going to slice the polenta. So let's open up the package. I'll remove polenta log from its packaging. And now just cut it into slices. Perfect. And now let's put them in a frying pan. Perfect. So all the slices fit into that pan. It's a 14-inch, very large frying pan. So now I'm going to wait till the oil is sizzling so that pan is still not fully heated. So once it's sizzling, I will reduce the heat to medium-high and come back. So it's been another minute, and now the pan is fully heated, so you can hear it's sizzling. So at this point, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and keep a close eye on it, and I'm going to cook it for about 4 minutes on this side or until it's golden brown, and I'll flip them. So now it's time to flip the polenta. It's actually been cooking for 5 minutes on this side, so you just have to eyeball it, just see if the bottom is nicely golden brown, and that's when you know when to flip it. So see how the bottom looks different. So this is when you flip. Perfect. So same as this side. Just cook for about 4 minutes or so on this side or until it looks the same, nicely golden brown, and then it'll be done. So they've been cooking on the second side for 4 minutes, and they're also nicely golden brown, so they're ready. So it was 5 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other. Perfectly cooked polenta. Looks so good. So let's turn off the heat, and I'm going to remove it from the frying pan. Showing you the other side, so nicely browned on both sides. Perfect. It looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So I'll just take a piece of one. so crispy, so flavorful, so delicious. Try it, you will love it. It's so good. You can have it for breakfast, as a side dish. You can have it plain as is, or you can pour some tomato sauce or gravy on it. Serve it any way you like. It's real tasty and so easy to make. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!